Friends, how are you all doing? I hope everyone is doing well. So today I'll give you an update on the crypto market and talk about what's currently happening in crypto, its statistics, and what might happen or what could come in the future. We'll give you an update on all of that. So without further ado, let's get started. If we look at CoinGecko today, we can see that the total cryptocurrency market cap is $4 trillion. Compared to previous days, today it's up almost 2.7%, and the total volume is $170 billion. Bitcoin's dominance is 56%, and Ethereum's is 12%. So these are basically some updates. So if we scroll down, if you look at Bitcoin, Bitcoin is currently at $114,116. In the last day, meaning in the last 24 hours, it's up almost 3.4% and up 1.4% over the past 7 days. Its volume is $59 billion and the market cap is almost $2.2 trillion. So Ethereum is trading at $4,172 and XRP is at $2.88. Let's take a look at the crypto bubble. As you can see, almost all tokens have pumped today. For example, EX is up 15%, HEX is up 9%. So that's the overall situation. Almost all tokens, including Bitcoin, have pumped today. Alright? So if we look at Bitcoin's liquidation, we can see here how many people have been liquidated in the last 1 hour, 4 hours, 12 hours, and 24 hours. So in the last 1 hour, $6 million have been liquidated. Out of that, $1.83 million were from longs and $4.56 million were from shorts. In 4 hours, it is $59 million. In 12 hours, $200 million. And in 24 hours, almost over $400 million have been lost or liquidated. So that's the overall situation. Most of the liquidations happened in shorts. So if we open a trade, the Bitcoin chart will open up and we'll be able to see all the trading activity happening with Bitcoin. If we look, for the last 3 days, it's been going up. It almost dropped to $8,000, but now it's moving into an uptrend again. A while ago, it almost touched its all-time high. If we look at the 1 week chart, it crossed $124,000 and now it's coming down again. But if you look closely, check out this pattern after $24,000. If you really look at the chart, you'll see the pattern forming now is an up pattern, and this is a bullish pattern. And in the future, by future, I mean within the next 1 or 2 months, we could see a significant pump, which I believe, based on all my experience, suggests it will move upwards. If you look closely, this is its support, the support zone. So the support didn't break. It came down exactly to that same level, around 108,000. But it didn't go below that. If it had dropped further, if we'd seen it near 100,000, then it would have been quite risky for us. But in its current momentum, or the way it is now, you'll see that if we look at the 1 week chart, it's a very bullish candle. From what we can tell right now, it's looking bullish. If we look at the 1 month chart from here, even if we look at the 1 month chart, you'll see that it looks very bullish. And I hope that if it breaks this resistance and goes above $124,000 in a few days, then our next stop could be towards $150,000. We might see it around there, which is really good news for us, especially for the big holders or for those of us who are holding. Compared to Bitcoin, Ethereum has performed a bit less. However, many people underestimated it when it was hovering around $1,300. But look, in just 1 to 2 months, it touched $5,000. Alright, so from $5,000, it started going down again. We're looking at the 1 week chart. Still, Ethereum has a potential, and the rally that's coming for Ethereum is beyond your imagination. Alright, because Bitcoin has already made its move. Now it's Ethereum's turn. Look, Ethereum has a strong support here. In this area, it hasn't crossed below. It touched it, came down, then bounced back up to its previous level. So for us, this is a very bullish sign. Within a few months, we could potentially see Ethereum not only cross its all-time high, but also surge significantly, coming close to around $6,000. This projection is based on current market trends and growing adoption. However, I would strongly advise that you continue to hold on to your Ethereum assets. It is crucial that you do not sell at this point, as the long-term prospects appear very strong. I will not delve into short-term market fluctuations, as our focus is on the broader, more substantial trends. But consider this: major influential companies and institutional investors are now actively investing in Ethereum, following their earlier investments in Bitcoin. This strategic move by large corporations is a clear indicator of Ethereum's increasing legitimacy and its immense potential for future growth. They are recognizing the value of its smart contract capabilities and its pivotal role in the decentralized finance ecosystem. Why exactly are these sophisticated entities making such substantial commitments to Ethereum? It's because they foresee its transformative impact on various industries. If you find this kind of in-depth analysis valuable, and if you appreciate staying informed about significant developments in the cryptocurrency space, then we definitely encourage you to stay connected with our channel. Please make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of our future updates and insights.